Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a step-by-step how to set up complete e-commerce tracking on Shopify using Google Tag Manager, GA4 and Facebook Pixel with the CAPI. So install actually firstly Google Tag Manager and then Shopify. You have to fast and go to actually Shopify online store and theme and and, and go to settings and go to actually custom event and then actually go to you have to mode view, but you have to custom the picture, you have to set up and then at a custom picture, you have to set up actually this data layer and go to actually data layer process. You have to set up no requited and then actually data collect does not quality and then you have to set up your data layer code. You have to push and then you have to net must be data layer GTM code. And this GTM code actually G tag, you have to changing your GTM code. You have to go Google Tag Manager and this actually GTM code you have to set up and then come actually this is a Google Tag Manager. Go to actually every step by step you have to set up. Firstly, Facebook event page view section. Uh, Event actually set up a standard Facebook pixel and a standard page view and object parameter actually event ID page view. FBP, FBC, first party collection true, event time, and server container URL, and then you have to set up actually all page view. And step by step, you have to set up view item and add to cart. Add to cart, you have to go to event name standard add to cart, parameter same to parameter, value, currency, and event name add. Actually, this is actually good, and you have to set up actually every KPI versus event. Every versus content type, content name, and content ID, and value, currency, and event time. So and then I have to go to set up actually GA4 event. Every GA4 event configure tag you have to firstly set up consent page view and true and server container URL. You have to server container setup. So of course server container you have to set up this stuff and that GA4 event add to cart and GA4 event add to cart value, currency, and items. GA4 event versus tag, currency value, items tag, coupon, shipping, and transaction ID. So then I have to go and actually live preview mode. Just waiting for time. Actually preview mode, it's some needed time. And then actually preview mode, go to actually every step by step. I have to tracking every process, go to every step by step. I have to go at the cart like that. It is actually add to cart, view cart, and checkout processing. Thank you. This is your thank you and checkout page. So I have to go full information. You have to submit it, name, email address, all of the tracking, and then you have to card numbers. You have to fill up actually your information, then thank you page, and then actually pay now. And then see actually processing confirmation every step by step, and then you have to check actually Facebook meta pixel event. So actually event process tag step by step, configure tag, configure name, product ID, bit currency, load time, but everything actually process firing. I have to go actually debug mode and then see actually every step by step. I have to see live. So actually basically debug mode, you have to change GA4 process event, GA4 event process tag file, big API process tag file. Actually you have to go process event and then see actual live event step by step. GA4 event process tag and then GA4 add payment info, GA4 add shipping, GA4 begin checkout, GA4 event begin checkout, and then GAP KPI actually instance tag and GA4 add to cart, and GA4 event add to cart tag, GA4 view item. So and GA4 event view item, GA4 big KPI view item. Everything actually you have to change successfully and names and value. Every step value, parameter, currency, item ID, item name, item validity, every quality, everything actually see process tag actually fine. So so now actually use Shopify Store is full track with GA4 and Facebook Pixel. This setup will help you track conversion, optimize ads, and understanding your customer journey better. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscription for more tracking tutorial. If you need any help, so please just only for comment in this video. I will help you know must be. Thank you so